Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about reduction variable. So I will put about v equals to s plus y. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, you got about dv over dx. First derivative of x, you got about 1. First derivative of y, you got about dy over dx. Because we don't have number 1 in here, so I will put number 1 go to the left. Now, this one we change by v. dy over dx we change by this one. Negative number 1 we put in here. So we have 1 plus 1 is about 2. And now 2 plus tan v will put on this one, ds we put on the right. Now we can put the integration for the both sides. Now I will concentrate about this one. So we need to put about secant of v square on numerator and denominator. So this one we know that secant of v square you got about tan v square plus 1. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan v. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about du equal to secant of v square dv. So this one we change by du. This one we change by u. This one you got about u square. Now we can use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over u plus 2. And we have b u plus c over u square plus 1. Because we have the power 2 in here, so on numerator there should be about u to the power of 2 minus 1. We reduce by 1 unit of power, and that's why you got like this. Next, we need to do common denominator. Now, about this one, capital A multiplied by u square plus 1. About bu plus c multiplied by u plus 2. So we need to expand this one. Now we need to arrange. This is to C. Now we need to arrange based on the term of u. So about u square, we have a and b. About u, we have 2b and c in here. About the number a with number 1, you got about a and 2c. And now if we look carefully, we have coefficient in here. That's about number 1. So a plus 2c equals to number 1. We don't have u squared in here. So a plus b equals to number 0. 2b plus c equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. Now we calculate about this one. So a equals to 1 over 5, b equals to negative 1 over 5, c equals to 2 over 5. And now we put the value a, b, c on here. About a, that's about 1 over 5. About b, that's about negative 1 over 5. About c, that's about 2 over 5. And this one, I can create about 2 fractions. That's about negative 1 over 5. And we have u over u squared plus 1. And the second one, 2 over 5 with u squared plus 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, you got about 1 over 5 ln of the absolute value of u plus 2 minus negative 1 over 5. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of u squared plus 1. And the last one, that's about arctan of u. And we put about c. About u, that is about this one. So tan v squared plus 1, you got about secant of v squared. Arctan with tan with, so you got about v. So about this one, number 2 in here, go outside about natural law. And we have number 2 in here. So 1 over 2 divided by 2. So you got about number 1. Now we go back to this one. The integration of this one, that's it about this one. This one you got about s. And now about v, we have this one. That's about s plus y. Now, this one you got about 2 over 5x plus 2 over 5y. And I will put this one go to the right. So x minus 2 over 5x, you got about 3 over 5x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.